Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome back to Old Coin Insights Change Your Life. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Roosevelt Dime, one of America's most iconic coins. We'll explore its history, unique design, hidden treasures, and the incredible stories behind some of the most valuable and ultra-rare Roosevelt Dime coins ever discovered. In this video, we'll count down the top 3 most valuable Roosevelt 1 dime coins, including rare coins with PED and S mint marks, silver varieties, error coins, and even dirty or worn examples that have shocked collectors with their unbelievable values. Some of these seemingly ordinary dimes have sold for thousands of dollars, while others have reached astonishing prices at auctions. Whether you're a coin collector, investor, or simply curious about the change in your pocket, this video could help you discover a hidden treasure. Before you spend that old dime, make sure you watch until the end. You might be holding a coin worth a fortune. Let's begin with Coin 1. Welcome back to Change Your Life. Today we begin our journey with a coin that many people have seen, but very few have truly understood. The remarkable 1981 P. Roosevelt 1 dime, a small piece of American history that continues to attract attention from collectors across the nation. At first glance, it may appear to be an ordinary coin resting quietly among pocket change. Yet behind its modest appearance lies a fascinating story of history, craftsmanship, and collector demand that has kept the Roosevelt Dime in the spotlight for decades. Every year, thousands of collectors search through rolls of coins hoping to uncover an exceptional example, because sometimes the most overlooked treasures are hidden in the most ordinary places. The story of a Roosevelt Dime began as a tribute to President Franklin Delano Roosevelt, a leader remembered for guiding the United States through some of the most challenging moments in its history. His influence on American society was so significant that his image was chosen to appear on the dime, creating a coin that would become one of the most recognizable pieces of currency in the country. By 1981, the Roosevelt Dime had already become a familiar sight in commerce. Yet each new year of production carried its own unique characteristics, making certain dates and mint marks especially interesting to collectors who carefully study even the smallest details. The 1981 P. Roosevelt Dime was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, one of the most historic minting facilities in the United States. During a period when millions of dimes were produced for circulation, these coins traveled through banks, stores, restaurants, and households, becoming part of everyday life for countless Americans. While a majority entered circulation and experienced years of wear, a small number survived in remarkable condition, preserving their original luster and sharp details. And it is these exceptional examples that often capture the attention of serious collectors who appreciate quality, rarity, and preservation. What makes collectors particularly excited is the possibility of finding a coin that stands apart from the ordinary, a Roosevelt dime displaying unusually strong details, brilliant surfaces, attractive toning, or striking characteristics can become far more desirable than a typical circulated example. Experienced collectors understand that condition can dramatically influence value, and they spend years searching for coins that exhibit extraordinary eye appeal, because when rarity and preservation come together, even a common date can become an object of intense interest within the collecting community. Another fascinating aspect of the 1981 P. Roosevelt Dime is its journey through history. Every coin represents countless transactions and personal stories, passing from one hand to another while silently witnessing moments of everyday life. Some were tucked away in collections shortly after release, protected from wear and damage, while others spent decades circulating throughout the economy, creating a remarkable contrast between ordinary surviving pieces and those exceptional examples that remain nearly untouched. This difference often becomes one of the most important factors when determining collector demand. The design itself continues to impress enthusiasts. Roosevelt's portrait carries a sense of dignity and historical significance, while the reverse showcases symbols that represent strength, unity, and freedom. Collectors often spend considerable time examining every detail, appreciating the artistry that transformed a simple coin into a lasting piece of American heritage. Even decades after its release, the design remains instantly recognizable and continues to inspire interest among both new and experienced collectors. As the coin collecting hobby has expanded over the years, attention has increasingly focused on coins that combine historical importance with strong collector appeal. The 1981 P. Roosevelt Dime occupies an interesting place within that conversation because it represents a specific moment in American minting history, while remaining accessible enough for collectors to pursue. This combination creates an enduring level of interest that keeps the coin relevant generation after generation. When discussing market value, it is important to understand that prices vary significantly depending on condition, quality, certification, and collector demand. Most circulated examples are worth only a modest amount above face value. However, exceptionally preserved specimens with outstanding characteristics can command considerably higher prices. And top-quality examples that achieve elite grading levels may attract impressive attention whenever they appear in the marketplace, creating excitement among collectors seeking the finest known pieces. Many collectors describe the thrill of searching for Roosevelt Dimes as a treasure hunt hidden in plain sight. Because every roll of coins carries a possibility of revealing something special, this sense of discovery is one reason the series remains popular after so many decades. The excitement comes not only from potential value, but also from the connection to history, craftsmanship, and the satisfaction of uncovering a remarkable survivor from another era. Today, the 1981 Roosevelt Dime continues to hold a respected position among collectors who appreciate its historical significance and collectible potential. Examples with strong visual appeal, brilliant surfaces, and superior preservation often receive the greatest attention, while ordinary pieces continue to circulate unnoticed, reminding us that value in coin collecting is often determined by details that many people never think to examine. And this contrast between the ordinary and the extraordinary is what makes the hobby so captivating. For those fortunate enough to discover a particularly impressive example, the experience can become the beginning of a deeper appreciation for numismatics. A single dime can open the door to a fascinating world filled with history, artistry, research, and discovery, transforming an everyday object into a conversation piece that connects the present with the past in a meaningful way. And that enduring sense of wonder is one of the reasons Roosevelt Dimes remain among the most beloved coins in American collecting. As we conclude our look at the 1981 Roosevelt One Dime, remember that every coin has a story waiting to be uncovered. Some stories are ordinary, while others reveal unexpected treasures, remarkable preservation, and collector demand that can elevate a simple dime into a highly sought-after collectible. The next time you examine your spare change, take a closer look, because history often hides in the smallest places, and sometimes a tiny coin can hold a surprisingly big story. Next up, now we move to our second incredible coin, the fascinating 1990 Roosevelt One Dime, a coin that many people have seen countless times without realizing the remarkable attention it receives from collectors who carefully search for outstanding examples. At first glance, this small coin appears simple and ordinary, yet within the world of coin collecting, it represents a piece of American history that continues to attract interest year after year. Hidden among old collections, forgotten coin jars, and decades of accumulated pocket change, some examples have survived in exceptional condition and become highly desirable among enthusiasts who appreciate quality, rarity, and historical significance. The 1990 Roosevelt Dime was produced at the Denver Mint, one of the most important minting facilities in the United States. During a period when millions of dimes entered circulation across the nation, these coins traveled through stores, banks, restaurants, and households, becoming part of everyday American life. While most examples experienced years of wear through constant use, a select number remained protected from circulation, preserving their original brilliance and sharp design details, creating a significant difference between ordinary pieces and premium collector examples. What makes this coin especially fascinating is the story it tells about a specific era of American coin production. Every detail on its surface reflects the precision and craftsmanship used during the minting process. Collectors often examine these coins under magnification, searching for strong strikes, attractive surfaces, and eye-catching visual appeal, because even subtle differences can transform an everyday coin into a highly sought-after collectible that stands apart from the millions of others produced during the same year. The portrait of President Franklin Delano Roosevelt remains one of the most recognizable images in American coinage. Symbolizing leadership, determination, and resilience, his appearance on the dime serves as a lasting tribute to his impact on the nation, making every Roosevelt dime not only a piece of currency, but also a miniature historical artifact. For many collectors, this connection to American history adds another layer of importance that extends far beyond simple monetary value. As the years pass, Collector interest often grows for coins that have survived in remarkable condition, especially when they display bright original surfaces, outstanding preservation, and strong visual appeal. These qualities help distinguish premium examples from ordinary circulated pieces, creating demand among collectors who seek the finest available specimens for their collections. Competition for top-quality coins can become intense whenever exceptional examples appear in the marketplace. One of the most exciting aspects of coin collecting is the possibility of discovering something special where others see nothing unusual. Countless collectors continue searching through rolls of dimes hoping to uncover a hidden treasure, and the 1990 Roosevelt Dime remains one of the dates that frequently attracts attention during these searches, because every coin carries the potential to reveal unique characteristics that set it apart from the rest. The journey of a single dime can span decades, passing through thousands of hands while silently witnessing everyday moments in American life. Some examples eventually find their way into collections where they are preserved for future generations, while others continue circulating year after year. This contrast creates a fascinating story of survival and preservation that adds depth and character to collecting experience. Within the coin collecting community, demand is often driven by a combination of condition, rarity, visual appeal, and historical significance. The finest examples of the 1990 Roosevelt Dime are admired for their sharp details and attractive appearance, making them desirable additions to advanced collections. When collectors discover specimens that combine exceptional preservation with strong eye appeal, interest can increase dramatically. Market values can vary significantly depending on condition and collector demand. Ordinary circulated examples generally remain affordable, while superior examples with exceptional quality may command much stronger premiums. Certified specimens that achieve elite grades often receive the greatest attention because collectors recognize how difficult it is to find coins that have remained virtually untouched for decades. These premium examples can become highlights of important collections. The continuing popularity of Roosevelt Dimes demonstrates how even small coins can capture the imagination of collectors around the world. Their combination of history, artistry, and accessibility makes them appealing to both beginners and experienced numismatists. Many collectors view the search itself as part of the reward, because every discovery adds another chapter to the ongoing story of American coinage. Today, the 1990 Roosevelt Dime continues to be appreciated by collectors who value its historical connection and collectible potential. Exceptional examples remain highly respected within the hobby, while ordinary pieces continue to circulate unnoticed, reminding us that remarkable collectibles often begin as everyday objects that most people overlook. This unique balance between familiarity and collector interest is one reason the Roosevelt Dime series remains so enduringly popular. As we conclude our look at this fascinating coin, remember that every Roosevelt Dime carries a story of American history, craftsmanship, and survival. Somewhere among old collections and forgotten coin jars, there may still be outstanding examples waiting to be discovered. And for collectors, the excitement of that possibility never fades, because sometimes the most memorable treasures are found in the smallest pieces of change. Next up, and now we arrive at the third and final coin in today's countdown, the remarkable 1994 Roosevelt Dime, a coin that has captured the attention of collectors who understand that true treasures are often hidden in the most unexpected places. While millions of these dimes were produced for everyday commerce, the finest surviving examples have become symbols of preservation, quality, and collector dedication, making this coin an exciting subject for anyone fascinated by American coin history and the search for valuable collectibles. The 1994 Roosevelt Dime was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, a facility that has played a central role in American coin production for generations. Every coin leaving the mint carried with it a small piece of national history, destined to travel through countless transactions across the country. These dimes pass to the hands of workers, families, business owners, and travelers, becoming part of daily life, while quietly building the story that collectors continue to appreciate decades later. One of the most fascinating aspects of this coin is how easily it can be overlooked. Many people see only a small dime and move on without a second thought. Yet experienced collectors understand that condition can make an enormous difference. A well-preserved example displaying strong detail, brilliant surfaces, and attractive eye appeal can stand far above ordinary circulated pieces, transforming a common-looking coin into a prized collectible worthy of attention and admiration. The Roosevelt Dime series remains one of the most recognizable coin programs in the United States. featuring the image of Franklin Delano Roosevelt, a president whose leadership left a lasting impact on the nation. His portrait represents determination, perseverance, and progress, qualities that helped make the Roosevelt Dime a favorite among collectors for decades. Every example serves as a reminder of an important chapter in American history, giving the coin significance beyond its face. Value. Collectors often spend years searching for outstanding examples of modern coinage, carefully examining surfaces, strike quality, and overall preservation, because exceptional pieces become increasingly difficult to locate as time passes. The 1994 Roosevelt Dime continues to attract attention because the finest examples showcase the quality and craftsmanship that collectors seek when building advanced collections, creating steady interest among enthusiasts who value excellence. As decades pass, coins naturally experience wear from circulation, making untouched examples increasingly desirable. This reality creates excitement whenever a particularly attractive specimen appears, because collectors recognize how unusual it is to find a coin that has retained its original character after so many years. Preserving that level of quality requires care, patience, and often a bit of luck, which adds to the appeal surrounding superior examples. The journey of the 1994 Dime reflects the broader story of American coinage, a story filled with movement, commerce, and history. Some examples spent years circulating across the nation, while others were carefully saved from the beginning, protected in collections where they remain virtually unchanged. This difference in preservation creates a fascinating contrast that continues to drive collector interest and discussion within the hobby. What truly keeps collectors engaged is the possibility of discovery. Every roll of dimes, every forgotten coin jar, and every inherited collection carries a chance of revealing a surprisingly attractive example. That sense of anticipation transforms ordinary coin searching into an exciting adventure, encouraging collectors to keep looking because remarkable finds often appear where they are least expected. Within the marketplace, collector demand is influenced by quality, rarity, presentation, and overall desirability. Ordinary circulated examples remain common, yet premium pieces displaying exceptional preservation can attract significant interest whenever they become available. Advanced collectors frequently compete for the finest known examples because quality remains one of the most important factors in determining long-term appeal within the hobby. The enduring popularity of Roosevelt Dimes demonstrates the powerful connection between history and collecting. These small coins represent more than simple currency. They are pieces of American heritage that have traveled through time while preserving the artistry and craftsmanship of their era. For many enthusiasts, this historical connection is every bit as valuable as the coin itself, creating lasting appreciation that extends from one generation to the next. Today, the 1994 Roosevelt Dime continues to enjoy recognition among collectors who appreciate its place within the Roosevelt series. Outstanding examples remain highly respected and frequently sought after by those pursuing quality collections, while ordinary examples continue their quiet existence in circulation and storage, reminding us that even familiar coins can hold surprising collector appeal when viewed through the eyes of an experienced enthusiast. As we conclude today's countdown, the 1994 Roosevelt Dime serves as a perfect reminder that the world of coin collecting is filled with opportunity, history, and discovery. Every coin carries a unique journey. Every collection tells a different story, and every search offers a possibility of uncovering something memorable, making this small dime a fitting finale to our exploration of fascinating Roosevelt coins and the enduring excitement they bring to collectors around the world. See you in the next video.